Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's closing bell time once again, the end of another week, preparing for a huge week next week. CPI and the FOMC report from Jerome Powell. It really will set us up for Christmas. I'm optimistic. I think inflation has peaked, and hopefully that will reflect in the CPI report, which will then reflect in the FOMC report for Jerome Powell. Anyway, let's get straight into our trades and see where we are. We are right now, we're quite muted. We're holding our positions right now, as you can see. It's neither up, neither down. It's pretty much right on the button. In fact, I'm exactly zero right now. Very rarely that happens. Extremely flat, completely not up or down. Let's get straight into the trades and see exactly where we are this afternoon. Welcome, everybody. If it is your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. We had a great cash giveaway this morning. It was great, and we had the possibility of a double payout. Unfortunately, our winner didn't retweet the post, so they only won the standard cash prize, didn't get the double cash prize. Can you believe it? Anyway, fantastic. Let's get straight into it right now. Let's bring all the comments in and let's see who's here. We are just up $34 at the moment. We've got information on Virgin Galactic, we've got Virgin Orbit, we've got information on Tesla as well. Lots to talk about today. Getting ready for the CPI report on the 13th and the FOMC on the 15th. All right, who was here first? Let's see. Elon Musk says Lucid won't hang on and will go bankrupt. Your thought? I don't see that at all. Elon Musk. I've lost a great deal of faith with Elon Musk recently. Great innovator. And I love Tesla, but I used to be an investor and fan of Elon Musk. I'm no longer a fan of Elon Musk because Elon Musk does do a lot of bad things. He makes up stories. He promises to do one thing, doesn't do another. Yes, he's committed. He's hardworking. He's developed SpaceX. He developed Tesla. All of that is great. However, he does make up a lot of stories and does say a lot of silly things, and that's very silly. I don't see that Lucid or Rivian are going bankrupt at all. They have plenty of money in reserve. They've got a good company. They've got a good contract with, or at least Rivian does, with Amazon. And I don't see them going bankrupt at all. But a lot of people who don't understand the stock are selling it off. I am just buying it when it goes down. So there you go. Anyway, that hopefully answers your question, Mohammed. That's my view, and I am backing it up with my own money. Here's my own money, my own position, and I'm adding to it. I'm hoping to get some Lucid today at $8 if it goes to $8. Anyway, there we go. James Tadola, how are you, James? Lovely to have you here. Hey, Martin and viewers, good afternoon. What day next week is CPI and inflation report? As I just said, it's the 13th and is CPI, and we'll cover it as we start the show in the morning. CPI data will be out. We will cover it live. We'll be investigating it, discussing it, sharing it. And we'll also be reporting live. We'll have Jerome Powell live on the show on the 15th as well. All you need to know is this channel. I will cover everything for you and bring it all to you. How about Lucid? Any news? Young G. That's just what I just shared a few moments ago. I am going more in on Lucid. I am not concerned at all. I've seen nothing bad other than FUD, nonsense, riffraff, Reddit, tweets, God knows what else. The company seem to be doing okay. In fact, they're ramping up, improving their output. I don't see any major problem with Lucid. For me, it's just an opportunity to buy more. And that's what I'm doing. That's my real shares. That's my real money. There you go. Anyway, it plays 1.9% of my portfolio. Anyway, there you go. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Congratulations to our winner today, Dave Mottram, who won our cash prize. Unfortunately, didn't double up as he didn't do a tweet. So the money rolls. The money was paid out, but the double money rolls over. I'm going to put it on for next week. So next week we have double money again. I wasn't going to do it perhaps every week, but I will roll it on next week, and let's see how we go. I'm holding 2,000 shares of Lucid. I will buy more if it keeps going down. I am. I'm looking forward to buying it at an all-time low of 8. Now, I could buy now. To be fair, my last buy-in My last buy-in was at 880. It was 1003, 9, 880. It's now at 828. I mean, that's a huge discount for me. Huge discount for me. I could buy some, but for some reason I'm holding out for 8. It doesn't matter. I want to limit my exposure. It is a very good buy. Don't get me wrong. 828. I mean, it was lower today. It went down to 817. Got very close. I would have to spend, if I spent now $1,800, I could double my position on Lucid, and I could get my average down. I could get 15% down if I buy now. I think there's enough money invested here. I still think Tesla is the number one EV company. I think it's worth. I'm not selling it. I'm not selling it at all. It's a long-term investment. Maybe I could buy it on my Roth IRA as a long-term investment at this level. That way I'll get 1% from Robinhood as well. Just wait until next week. But it can go cheaper than that. Of course it can. Of course it can. Lucid will Lucid file for Chapter 7. I don't see there's any issue with Lucid at all. Anyway, I will wait and see. I've got some. I'm in. I'm not selling. I'm looking to buy lower. I think perhaps with my Roth IRA literally completely open, other than $250, I've got $6,750 worth to go. I can get some free shares from Robinhood. They give me 1% as a match, plus tax-free gains in the future for over 5 years. So at that price, and it is a long-term gain. Let's be honest. You're not buying Lucid to think it's going to be here tomorrow. I'd be buying Lucid for the next 5 years. I think what we're going to get, perhaps, is a good report from the CPI, a good report from Jerome Powell. We're pricing in 90%, a 0.5% interest rate hike, which is good. It means they're scaling it back. So I think a rally is around the corner. I think we've got a Santa rally around the corner. So I don't think this is going to be that low for long. It may not even be on. It might all be done by Monday afternoon, but we'll see. I think we could get a bit of a sell-off on Monday, and it will buy back quickly. So that's what I'll probably do. I'll probably use my Roth IRA to buy maybe 200 shares to halve my position on Monday pre-market, probably somewhere around there. Anyway, that's my thoughts. I'm buying 10,000 shares next week. You're right, this is a Christmas gift. I believe so. Mohammed Kahain is buying 10,000 shares next week. I think it's a Christmas gift, yeah. But it can go cheaper than that. Wait till next week. Over there, Twitch, thank you, Mike. Why are you not wearing your glasses? I'm that's a good point. I'm trying to get used to my glasses, so some days they're on, some days they're not. I'm not. They're progressive. They're hard to wear at the moment. Hey, family! Here's Caden Youngquist. How are you, Caden? Good to see you, mate. Good evening, everybody. Yesterday things went quite well, and then when he wore them, is it a good thing if I put them on? Is it? Woohoo, says Mario Audius. Good morning. Santa Bull Run next week. I think so. Do you think Elon Musk is making Lucid go down? I think Elon Musk is saying a lot of stupid things recently. But yes, it's not doing it any good. There's lots of rumors and FUD around Lucid with Elon Musk, yeah. Market profit, hunting walls right now, I bet. Great to be here, says Mike. Young G, good afternoon to you. Welcome all. Anyway, let's get back to the main portfolio. We're down very, very slightly. Let me see who's here. We're just coming up to 10 past 2. We've got 40 minutes to go before we close the bell. We do have a world premiere today coming up at the end. Today, it's Dolly Parton. Dolly Parton. And is the Queen of Self-Braiding here? We'd like to do something special for our members, our silver members. Queen of Self-Braiding just put out a video just some moments ago. Here was the Queen's premiere. If you want to have this running on the background and give us a subscribe, I'm sure she'd absolutely love it. Let me post that in the chat right there. She's just posted a premiere, went some few moments ago. I watched it, left a comment, all the rest of it. It's on, how many views is it on right now? Let me have a look. Doesn't tell me. Why doesn't it tell me? Oh, there we, why doesn't it? Why doesn't it tell me how many views there are? Let me refresh it and let it play again. Just trying to help one of our members out this afternoon. It's got 4 likes on it at the moment. Let me have a quick look. How many views has it had? Maybe it doesn't say during the premiere. Let's have a quick look. 3 views. Right, it's had 3 views. There you go. I can see it there now. So if you want to give it, if you want to support one of our members, then please feel free to do that. There we go. So it's got 3 views on it, and I'll check it back in a minute, see if anybody has liked it. I'm going to let it run through again. There you go.
This is the Queen of Self-Braiding. Thank you for being a...
There we go. Awesome stuff.
And I truly appreciate...
There we go. Let that run in the background, and we'll go back to our trading screen right now. If you want the link for that, here is the Queen of Self-Braiding's video. We're here to, we always help our members, our silver members. We promote them and support them in any way we can. Anyway, let's have a look. I am here. Good. I am here, says the Queen. Important. Anyone trading a man after hours, no halts and limit orders only. So be mindful of spread, bid, ask. Ed Nevius, thank you for that tip. Evening all will pop over to Queen's now. There you go. Malcolm's doing it. Thanks, Malk. Lovely stuff. Everyone listens to Elon Musk. That's stupid. I disagree with most of what he says. He has been a clown lately. I agree, Mohammed, 100%. I am not basing my investments on Elon Musk. I base my investment on Tesla, not Elon Musk. Yeah, but got it running in the background. There you go. Caden's running it in the background for you as well. Queen, there you go. We'll check back in a minute and see how many views we got on your channel, on your video. Okay, here we go. We're up at the moment, right on the button, 0. S&P 500, Virgin Galactic, Virgin Orbit. I've got a buy at 2. In my Roth IRA, I've got a bid at 245. In my main brokerage account, it's 2. Tesla is up 4% today. It's having a good day, over 180 again. We've not seen that for quite a while. Rivian is down today, 4%. I'm actually down. One of the very rare occasions that I'm actually down. A lot of people are influenced by what Elon Musk says. It's silly, really. You should know what you're investing in and not be put off by it. Thanks, Caden. Yeah, it says Queen. There we go. Arrival. I'm letting it run in the background for the Queen of Self-Braiding. There it is, look. So if anybody else wants to support the Queen of Self-Braiding, it's not every day you see a head on the show, is it? There's the Queen's video running premiere now. If you want to give it a like and a view, I'm sure she'd appreciate it. There you go. I've got lots of ideas, Queen, how you can make your videos a lot more successful. If you ever decide to do that gold membership for a month, I'll give you 2 hours of Zoom calls, and I've got a list of things that I can share with you. What would get you more views? No question about it. From thumbnails to tags to descriptions to links, there are so many things that you could do to improve your analytics, your SEO, and so on. Never pay for advertisement. Never pay anyone to watch your videos or anything like that, or get views or likes. That's all detrimental to your channel. It actually ruins your growth. But I can give you a list of things that you can do yourself, which I guarantee would get you more views. No question about it. 100% guaranteed. Virgin Galactic is down 0.11. Virgin Orbit is at 249, going sideways now. We've got 45 minutes to go. Congratulations today to Dave Mottram, who won our cash prize. He didn't have Twitter though, so he didn't double up. And who was it who wasn't here? There were two people. I think Stephen Lewandowski missed out. Who else was it? I'll probably see them if they come into the chat. Someone else. They were actually in the stream, but never. They must have been unmuted. What is your price target for Virgin Orbit? Virgin Orbit right now, I've got two parts to Virgin Orbit. I've got 352 shares in my brokerage account. That I will sell it all at $4. Okay. I'm hoping today to get, or at least on Monday, in my Roth IRA. This is my long-term position where Robinhood give me 1%. This is what I'm going to keep for 5 years, so not paying tax on it. This is a separate account for Virgin Orbit. I've just bought 25 shares. I would have bought $1,000 worth, but it didn't. It didn't go. It was down last night at this level here, $1,000 worth. I just set it up and I wasn't able to get in before it popped back up again. As you can see, it popped up and it went back down again. But we're waiting to get it for 245, and then I'm going more in then and leaving that as a long-term play. So I've got two parts. I've got my day trading, or if you like swing trading on Virgin Orbit. I will sell it all at $4. And whatever I buy at 240 and 2 and so on, I'm going to in my IRA, because I get that free 1% from Robinhood. I'm just going to keep it for the 5 years, and that will be part of my my retirement portfolio. Church, what's your views on F stock right now? In 10 years, it will be $15 to $20, $5 for MW. What's MW? In 10 years, it will be $15 to $20. Could well be. Tilray has been back at $3.50. Delayed on sign bills, hurting stocks. Yeah, delays don't concern me. If they said it was cancelled and the government wasn't going to back it, then fine. And, it was all going to be outlawed, then I'd be concerned. But they're not. They're not. It's just the delays. We get delays in this sort of industry. We get delays in rocket ships. We get delays in government policy. I'm not concerned. Of course, it would have been great in hindsight to have sold it at $5. I had $1,800. I could have bought it all back. However, it's still up from where I've got it. I've got it in at 345. It's not gone that low yet, but it's very close though. And there was no guarantee it was going to go back down. No one knew that. It doesn't matter. And on top of that, of course, I would have paid 20% of that profit in tax anyway, being in the first year. So I've saved that, and I'm just holding it, looking for a much bigger gain in the future. Anyway, there we go. I'm setting up all-time lows to buy into my Roth IRA. I'm hoping to raise $7,000. Whether I trim off the top in my brokerage account or earn money doing on YouTube and earn money on gigs as I do to bring into my account. If I can get $7,000 in by the 31st of December, I believe actually in the first couple of months of January, February, I think up to April, I think it is, I could add into my 22 Roth IRA. I'm still speaking to my CPA about certain things to find out what the ins and outs of it are, but I'm hoping to be able to buy put 7,000 in the 2022 Roth IRA. I'd like to load it up, not miss out on any years. I want to get it all loaded up. Anyway, that is my plan. Right now, we're on a wash. Right now, we've neither lost or made any money. Okay, how many people in the show? We've had 40 people come through the show. If you've just turned up, thank you so much indeed. Subscribe, ring the bell, let me know you're here. Debating on snagging a few. Caden is looking at getting some Ford stocks. We got delays in life. It's part of life. I totally agree with you. Not concerned. Definitely a buy at this extremely low price for over a year. Stock will be 16 by Q2 23. Disney's also a good company as well. I prefer other stocks, though. There's things that I prefer other than Disney, but I think Disney is a good value. At least it was a couple of weeks ago. I haven't looked at it for a week or so. A strong Q4 earnings will be nice, but very unlikely as back orders are in the 100,000. All to those badges, those bloody badges, unbelievable. Cannot believe they're still struggling with that issue. Sounds crazy, right? But there it is. Right. Thanks, Church. Yeah, I'm looking to have an auto company in my portfolio, just looking for the right one. I was debating between Ford and Toyota. Why aren't you interested in Tesla, Caden? Just smashed Queen's like, comment left. Ah, great. If you want great returns short term, go with Toyota. Long term, Lucid or Ford. Yeah, interesting. Okay. What's going on here? YouTube got a few issues now this afternoon. That's new. We've got some issues on YouTube this afternoon. Let's see what's going on there. Here we go, that's better. I did sub your channel as well. Wonderful stuff. Excellent. Tesla is risky going to next year at these prices. It is expensive, I get it, but it's come down dramatically from where it was. I got one share of Tesla, but not sure with how things are going. Looking for a change. Yeah, I still think they're the leader. Because of their margins and their ramping techniques, but we shall see. The CEO of Gigafactory China is coming to Austin, Texas, it sounds like, to ramp up Austin, Texas for the Cybertruck, which is out now. So that's all good as well. Anyway, let's have a look how many people supported the Queen of Self-Braiding this afternoon. Let me give you the link if you want to support one of our silver members. Let's have a little look. Let's refresh the screen. It was on 3 views. I'm going to watch it again, letting this run in the background for Queen. I've already commented, liked, and watched it through. This is my 3rd time now. I'm a big fan. Right. I like nothing more than heads with hair on it. It makes me feel bad, but there you go. Let's have a quick look. 6 views. That's better. We've doubled it. There you go, Queen. We've doubled it from 3 to 6. You've got 5 likes now. And you also have some comments as well. There we go. Who supported Queen this afternoon? Let's have a look. Have a quick look. There we go. We've had some support from Malk, myself, Shirley Thomas, one of your friends. Anyway, there you go. So you've got 6 views now. Wonderful stuff. There you go. Cheers, Queen. Thanks, but not much on it yet. But not much on it yet, though. What's that? James Tadola. Oh, we've got a new member. James Tadola has just become a bronze member, everybody. How about that? How about that? Fantastic. Let me go into Discord because we need to upgrade your account. So James Tadola, I don't know if you're already on our Discord, but we have to upgrade you now. You can now call in. You can see all the exclusive channels from Ed Nevius about those great tips. You can get many extra benefits and perks now. Don't forget, celebrate your birthday. Ask me to review videos, stocks for you, polls, you name it. There's the Discord. James, get yourself into Discord, and then come into the welcome all page. And I will see you here. And I will be able to upgrade your account just here. Okay, that's the welcome all page. Right at the top, you've got the welcome all page. If you come into the welcome all page, I will be able to upgrade your account. Make sense? I'll wait for you over there. All right. But everybody, would you please welcome our new member, James Tadola. He's been very active on our channel, very supportive of everything that we've been doing. So absolutely wonderful. And let's give him the big warm welcome that everybody gets. Here we go. There we go. Awesome stuff. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much, James. Cheers. Congratulations. Love it. Always great. There you go. Thank you very much. All right, now, James, you get many perks and benefits. I'm sure you've watched the video about the members' benefits. If you haven't, of all the things that you get, we do actually have a member video for you. And it's right here. I just recorded it yesterday for our new members. Where is it? I just recorded it. Past live streams. Videos, here it is. I just recorded it. Oh, that's the Discord perks. But there is YouTube member perks. Here we go. So if you're not now you're a member, you can find out more of the perks. Here is the membership perks for you. Gives you all the perks you get. Make sure you take advantage of all those things. I'll wait for you over on Discord. There's the link in the chat. I've just given you the link. Go and check it out. And if you watch that, it'll tell you of all the perks you get. All right. Bav, happy Friday. Hi from Oxford, James. Welcome, welcome, welcome. There you go. And once you get over to Discord, I will upgrade your account. And you will appear at the bottom in the welcome all screen. This is where I'm waiting for you to appear, just in here. And I will upgrade you. Okay. Argentina 1, Netherlands 0. Ooh, there we go. England tomorrow. Big day tomorrow. England tomorrow. You can imagine how excited I am. I've actually got a gig tonight. I've got a gig tonight in person, and I've got a gig Saturday night as well. And then I've got the football in the afternoon. My newsletter to prepare for Sunday. Oh my gosh. So much to do. Virgin Orbit's now 248. It's right on the button now for me. Brazil needs to stick to martial arts. Brazil are a good football team. One of the best, actually. Tesla chokes in football. Church, how long have you been watching football? Brazil, one of the best teams in the world. They've won 5 times. One of the best ever team is Brazil. Anyway. Tesla's looking good. Rivian, Lucid. I'm looking to buy some more at $8. Not going to go all in yet. Amazon, trying to buy at 85. I think we might get some. I'm sure that the CPI is going to be good. I'm sure the Jerome Powell speech is going to be good. I think this is the last sell-off before the Santa rally. I can't guarantee that. No one knows that for certain, but I just got a funny feeling we're about to take off. I think the bears are getting tired of all this constant selling off. Heard rumours BTC in 23 will go down to $12,000. Yeah, it could go down a lot lower than that. No one knows. People are just making up stories. The way I am managing that, all my money is off the network, off the exchange. It's on my wallet. This is my wallet. I'll share with you on the screen. I sold at the top, near the top, long time ago now, and now I'm buying it back. There you go. There's my Bitcoin. I'm buying it every time it drops $1,000. I buy $100 worth. At the end of the day, it doesn't make any money, and it can go to zero. It can go to zero. It doesn't matter how much of it is locked away on a ledger, which is the best thing that's ever happened, by the way, the FTX debacle to crypto, but it still can go to zero, because if nobody wants to pay for it because no one's got any faith in it, it will go to zero. Anyway. I think it's a lottery ticket. It's worth buying some, but not much. 1% to 5% of my portfolio max. GM Tesla having China nightmare, analyst says. Hope not, as I'm into Tesla. Do you know what I was looking into today? I want to get everyone's opinion on this. Do you know what I was looking to do today? I was looking at educating myself and getting licensed and studying to be a financial advisor. What about that? What about that? That's a serious endeavor, right? I was looking at it, to becoming a registered financial advisor. Anyway, what do you think? Hello, Martin. Can we see Meet Kevin ring the closing bell? Where will it be? It will obviously be on Meet Kevin's channel, of course. I suppose we could. Yeah, why not? Why not? Should we do that? It's not a bad idea, is it? It's supporting a fellow YouTuber. It's kind of a big deal. You all want to watch him do it, right? A fiduciary. There you go. Meet Kevin. Let's have a look. He's going to be live, I presume, on his channel. I would have thought so. I'll be surprised if he missed it. Anyway, let's have a quick look. See if I can get it up. Yes, he's ringing the bell at the New York Stock Exchange. Let me go to his channel. I'm assuming he'll have a premiere set up. You can bet your ass I would. He doesn't have... It's interesting, he doesn't have the playlist which says he's going live. Which is kind of weird. He doesn't do that. Missed a trick there. Yeah. He doesn't. So it'll be afterwards. So the only way we could do that would be... if he's not going to stream it live... the only way we can do it is perhaps show Bloomberg, or that's really it. He's not planning a live stream, so I'm not going to chase him around. I don't know why he hasn't set up a live stream. That's a bit mad, isn't it? Brazil is the fifth largest economy in the world. Church of Logic. Brazil are great at MMA but poor at running a country. That's kind of odd. You said you bet your ass, but you would not tell my joke. That's kind of odd that you said you bet your ass, but you'd not tell my joke. I don't understand that. Martin, SIE exam first in process, then Series 7. Yeah, I was looking at it. How long does it take? How much does it cost? And so on and so forth. Why is Meet Kevin ringing the bell? I don't know why he's ringing the bell, but I know he is. Ed, I have SIE. Are you a registered financial advisor then, Church? Ed Nevius. Nice. So does that make you a licensed financial advisor, Church? Or wealth manager? Jack Williams. I was looking at, I'm not saying I'm going to do it. No, a broker though. A broker. I want to be able to be an official money man, if you like, on my channel. Wouldn't it be? It's like I am, it gives credibility to your channel. You don't have to be. You can just do 99.9% of YouTubers aren't financial advisors, because they just wouldn't be on YouTube. They'd be making money from being a financial advisor. But I just thought I like to be the best at what I do, and I thought, hey, my dream job was to always be financial analyst. With the delay on Robinhood for stocks, that's say ADR. Ray Thomas, I'm not sure of your question there. That's say ADR. Not sure what that means. Vanguard S&P, yes, no sponsor and no bank wants me. I'll have your Church. Come work for me. There you go. Come and work for me. Virgin Galactic is going sideways. We are 248. My buy-in is at 245. No particular reason. Part of the reason I'm angry at life. Well, why? Meet Kevin got his financial advisor license about a month ago. Yes, I know. Saw that. Very interesting. Thanks, Carlos. Meet Kevin is a scammer. I'd like to just be myself with qualifications. That's all. Wouldn't change who I am or whatever, but it's something I'm looking at. Anyway, let's get into it. We've got just 25 minutes to go. Run a quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And we're back. We're just down 0.37 and preparing, of course, for next week. CPI and Jerome Powell. That's why it's quite muted at the moment. We're up one day, we're down the next day, all around the same. Someone asked the question, NEO. I'm not a fan of NEO or any Chinese stocks for that matter. Churchy, what's up? Ails here. Check out Stock Curry's YouTube. Check out Stock Curry's YouTube channel. It's a former broker for Merrill Lynch and has good macro outlook. Nicole Blossom, thank you so much indeed, Nicole. We're not just going to check on a YouTube channel. You have to get to know people first. Say hello, not just say come onto my channel. It's best for you. Just in general, really, to get to know people, say hello, and I support all YouTubers and all online creators, but you have to say hello first. Anyway, Virgin Galactic going sideways. Howdy, Carlos. Welcome. Right, let's have a quick look at where we are. Love it. Wasn't certain if there was an accreditation or title you were looking at apart from financial advisor. It's just my first stage today. I looked at it and thought, I wonder if I could become a financial advisor or whatever. So when I do my show and I say I can't give financial advice, this is just entertainment, I could say I can give financial advice. I'd like to be able to say that. That wouldn't make you the greatest financial advisor in the world. Lots of financial advisors get it wrong all the time. But I could say I am a financial advisor. I can give advice. Do you know what I mean? That would be good. Anyway, what do you think of Rolls-Royce in tied up big style? Rolls-Royce in tied up big style in this. Bav Mystery, I don't understand your question. Please rephrase it. I like Rolls-Royce. It's not going in. It's not going to go bankrupt. It's being protected by the government like Ford is in America. Carvana is going bankrupt. We had someone come on yesterday just trying to pump and dump it. It was awful. They said, buy it. It's up 50%, 30, 100%. I said, no, it's going bankrupt. I'm not touching it. But, people, it's like Bed Bath & Beyond and GameStop and all this other rubbish. I'm not going to suggest anyone buy a stock like that or Mullen or any of these silly things just to dump it. I don't do it. I don't do that on this channel. It's not what I do. Never have, never will. Money isn't about that. It's about you. Anyway, I'm tied up in Rolls-Royce. I was in Rolls-Royce. I managed to get my money out. Didn't make a profit. I just got my money back and got out. I don't like how it's behaving. I've got lots of buys that are very close to triggering. The closest one is Virgin Orbit. I've got 245 as a buy. So we're very close to buying Virgin Orbit, and also we're also getting quite close to. Let me have a look. Virgin Galactic is still a way away. I've got $4, but Rivian's getting close as well. Rivian, I've got a buy at I think it's 26. Yeah, 26. So we're getting close. Malcolm Cragg, good evening. How are you doing? Good to see you all. I think we're preparing for a rally. I think everything's selling off. Everyone's going to buy back cheaper. I can see it because stocks now are getting insanely oversold. I mean, Amazon. Just take Amazon for example. Look at Amazon. Look at that. It's one of the best companies you can own long term. Look at that. 52% over 5 years. It's down 49% this year. Incredible. A fantastic company. How do you feel about Elon says Lucy will go bankrupt on Twitter yesterday? I'm paying no attention to it whatsoever. Evening, Paddy. And people that don't understand the stock, understand the company, are listening to Elon Musk. Elon Musk has a cult following, like I do. The difference is Elon Musk just says silly stuff all the time for drama, and he doesn't even care about people's money. It's obvious. I used to think he did, but he clearly doesn't. If he cared about people's money, he wouldn't do some of the things he does. So because of that, I can't take him seriously. I love what Elon Musk has created, but I think his behaviour and disrespect to investors is just unparalleled. Hello, Amam is making money for everyone. Martyn's alter ego. It's making money for everyone, is it? What are your thoughts on November PPI? 0.1 above the consensus figure. Have you adjusted any of your positions as a result of November? No, I've held all my positions. I just keep buying when they go to my all-time lows. I want to stress what that means. When I say I buy when it goes down, I don't just buy when it goes down. I'm not buying Rivian today because it's gone down 5%. I'm buying Rivian when it goes to my all-time low, which is 20, which is now actually, but then I go way below. I've got to buy at 26. I'm only buying when I get things at huge discounts, and then I buy because my belief in these companies hasn't changed. Why would I not buy at 26 when I've paid more for Rivian? It's obvious. I don't buy on green days. I don't even buy when it goes down, but I do buy when it goes to my all-time lows. Makes obvious sense to me. Anyway, I think Elon knows more than me or you. Elon gets the company more than you. I'm sure he does. I'm sure Elon Musk is a very, very smart chap. I'm not saying he's not. Very smart people say silly stuff all the time, though. They manipulate the markets. They pump the market. They dump the market. They tell you one thing and another. Mullen come on here and they tell you they're doing a deal with Mickey Mouse. Everyone buys it. Then they dump the stock. Very smart people say very stupid things all the time. And Arnold the Palmer, if you're going to just follow what Elon Musk says, then I'm sorry, but that's the worst financial advice you could possibly get. Financial advice is not given by Elon Musk. Elon Musk shares his very manipulative tweets for entertainment. And if that's the way you invest, I'm sorry, but it's not how I invest. Welcome to all new members, Bav and Ray Thomas and James. Welcome. So let me see. Did our new member come into? Who was it who became a member today? One of you became a member. James Tadola. Yeah, I've not seen you appear here yet. James, I'm still waiting for you to be here on Discord so I can upgrade your account. If he wants to be on Discord, I can upgrade you. James Tadola. He's not yet come in. We're waiting for James Tadola to come into Discord so I can upgrade you. So let me give you the Discord link. You're running out of time. It takes 10 minutes to come through Discord, and I've got to upgrade you live on the show so I can confirm it's you. And you've not yet come in. So I just wanted to make sure if you want to be upgraded that you can. All right? It's one of your perks. And thank you for supporting the show. Oh, slow internet. No worries. That's very slow because it's been 45 minutes. That's funny. Slow internet. It's taken him 45 minutes to log in. Slowest internet in the world. Thank you so much. Tell me about all the companies like Amazon below your price, but you aren't buying. Well, what about all the companies like Amazon below your price? I am buying. Arnold the Palmer, I am buying when every single stock has a limit buy placed. Look, every single one has a limit buy placed at all-time lows. So I am buying. I'm buying absolutely every stock I own. Why would I not? Why would I go, I don't want to buy that stock? That's insane. If it goes to all-time lows, I'll buy it. So, of course I'm buying it. Just listing for a hot tip from Martyn. Thank you, Ale. My pleasure, James. I don't know anything that he does, but when he talks about EV companies, he's unquestionably one of the most knowledgeable people when it comes to EVs. I trust his opinion on the specific topic. I trust his opinion when it comes to building things, but not on matters of finance that influence other people. That's where me and you, Arnold, differ. Elon did nothing for Tesla. He just had the money to buy it. There you go. says Ray Thomas. James Sadola, soon. All right. We are just 15 minutes to go before the bell rings. And meet Kevin. He is not streaming a live video. He doesn't even schedule live videos. He just goes live. He's got nothing scheduled to go live because I was going to watch him ring the bell. I'm incredibly surprised he doesn't, but there you go. I would absolutely stream it on if I was ringing the bell at the New York Stock Exchange. I absolutely would have a scheduled stream. He hasn't. I'm looking at his channel right now. All right. He is a financial he's a CEO of multiple companies. He's more businessman than an engineer. Let's be real. You need to learn to spell, Arnold. I can't understand what you're saying. He's a officer. He is a CEO of multiple companies, and he's more a businessman than an engineer. No, I think he's more of an engineer. He has people managing his accounts. If you look at Elon Musk, he has lots of people managing his money. He doesn't do the decisions himself. It's my birthday today. Would you sing happy birthday, please? Ale, of course we would. It's just my thoughts fast. Don't worry. Don't go back to correct. No worries then. Happy birthday. So Richard Branson duped investors because everyone bought Space because of his affiliation. Then he sells his shares in Space at the top and investors find out 6 months later after he files. No, that was no surprise. We knew he'd sold his shares when he sold his shares. That is not a secret at all. Coffee to the world. And that's the right thing to do. If you are a businessman and you know that the stocks are going to go down because there's no flights for a year, of course you should sell. Why do you think that Richard Branson's got money to invest in Virgin Galactic? Because he makes money. It would be irresponsible of him not to sell his shares. That Elon Musk sells his shares. Does that mean he doesn't believe in Tesla? No. It's the right thing to do. I've got no issue with Richard Branson selling his shares. Take out HOD before close. Let's go. Take out HOD. Not sure what that means, Ed. Okay, we are just 12 minutes to go before the bell goes. So very, very quickly, we have to do a happy birthday for Ale. It's Ale's birthday because we have to be here for the close. We're all getting ready for the world premiere of my music tonight. Remember why we're doing this? We're getting ready for the Christmas stuff, but we're also getting ready for the Virgin Galactic single to be released at the end of the Christmas run. So here is the music for tonight. There's the world premiere. Every night we've beaten the night before. Everyone has been sharing and everybody has been liking and commenting. It's getting better every night. Tonight it's Dolly Parton. There it is. We've already got 14 likes. This is great. Benefits everyone who invests on the stock market in Virgin Galactic, because as this channel grows, it'll be really effective for the Martyn Lucas single I released of Virgin Galactic. So every night, join in, share this channel, get it to take off. It's getting better and better. We're getting more comments and more likes on every single video. It's moving up every single day. That's Dolly Parton coming up in a few minutes. So we've got to be very, very quick. We've got to go and do Ayle's birthday because we've got to close the bell as well. It's going to be quite a rush to get all this done. I'm going to try my very best to do it for you. So here we go. Let's go over to the back of the studio and do happy birthday for Ale. So it's Ale Drummer in the chat. It's his birthday, so I want everyone to light up the chat with happy birthdays as we go over to our happy birthday. Let me just change the screen. It takes a few seconds to load this one up. And here we go. All right. There we go. Put that there. We're pumping out the smoke. Let's do a quick happy birthday. Let's have all the chat light up with happy birthday to Ale. Are you ready? Let's see it. Here we go. Okay. All right. We've got to be nice and quick. Happy birthday to Ale. I want everyone copying and pasting. Happy birthday. I can remember doing this last year. This is so great that we're now able to do it for a second year. I love it. I love that. I think that's absolutely wonderful. I sound like Cox. What's his name? Brian Cox. Absolutely wonderful. All right, here we go. We don't need the fireworks, but we do need the happy birthdays. You ready? Okay, here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, na 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 to you. Happy birthday, Ale drummer. Happy birthday, oh, to you. Happy birthday to you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, na 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 to you, yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Ale drummer. Happy birthday, oh, to you. Here we go. Happy birthday to you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Happy birthday, na 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 to you, yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Ale drummer. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you. Yeah, all right. Happy birthday, Ale. Ale was there with us at the convention in the UK. Thank you so much indeed. Go below this video and you'll see the little pair of scissors. You can clip this video, share it on your social media, share it with all your friends, and this is your video to keep forever. And post it all over the internet and share with your family and friends. Great. Happy birthday to you. Great. Let's get back to the main show. We're nearly out of time and we've got to do the closing bell yet. And let's get back to it. Here we go. Let's change all of this. All right. Okay. Here we are. And we're back in the house. Once again, happy birthday, Ale. Absolutely great. Love it. Okay, where are we now? We're just down to the... Martyn, I think, should do the song of the auto, of the tune of the Cosmic Girl. That was brilliant. Jamiroquai vid with the Ferraris and Lambos. Dutch and airlines actually fighting. Yellow cards all over the place. Dutch and RG's actually fighting. Yellow cards, that doesn't surprise me at all. Neither team want to go out big time. Happy birthday, Ale. Thank you very much indeed, Paddy. Ale, you're welcome. Thanks so much, Martyn, everyone. It warms my heart. God bless you all. There you go. My absolute pleasure. AO didn't expect a sick piano solo before the closing bell. Happy birthday, AO. Jack Williams. Welcome, Jack. We've got a world premiere tonight as well. On our channel, warming up the Virgin Galactic hit single that's coming out soon. You know all about that. All right. Okay, let's get back to our main position now. We've got 5 minutes to go. Lucid is going up. No surprise there. There we go, 8.49. And I couldn't buy it. There we go, going up quite quickly. It's oversold. Anyway, Argentina has 2-1. Good stuff. I'm waiting to buy it at 8. Didn't buy it, didn't get it there. I'm 31% down. Look at that. Look how that's gone up in the last few moments. Good stuff. That doesn't mean you should buy it or jump all over it. Or hello, the overall portfolio is going down big time again. What's going down now? The S&P 500. I'm still up on it. Virgin Galactic is going down very slightly. Virgin Orbit. Oh, there we go. I've got some money spent. Good news, your buys. There we go. I've just bought more into my Roth IRA. There you go. There you go. I have my Roth IRA now has gone through at 240, so I now have more Virgin Orbit. Risk off before next week. Look at Lucid. Go back to Lucid again. Yep, it's gone up. No surprise. No surprise at all. SPY getting hammered towards the close. Risk off before next week. Thanks everyone for your kindness. Right, we got 5 minutes to go. Let's go through. App arrivals collapsing, virtually be delisted now. Amazon, we're waiting to buy it at 85. Apple, we want to buy it at 130. Robinhood, we want to buy it at 8. McDonald's, I'm up 12%. That's a long way off. Coca-Cola is down 0.93. Still up a long way. J&J. Everything is selling off now. Getting ready for the big buyback next week. Everyone, I'd say they are expecting the figures to be good for next week. So we're selling off so we can buy everything back. That's what's happening now. But not for me. I'm not selling any of this stuff. This is silly. 4 minutes to go. Look up a man, please. This morning, top play. Amam. Let me have a look at it for you. A-M-A-M. There we go. This is the stock that Ed Nevius alerted us to. Up 928% in 1 day. Wow. Wow. Look at that. December the 8th. Wow. What a pump that is. 929% in 1 day. Wow. So $100 would have earned you $1,000 today. Wow. Seriously? If you'd have bought $100, as up 100%, you'd be up 100. Wow. That is $100 to $1,000 in 1 day. Oh my gosh. So what I would have done there, if I'd have been in that one, is I would have set a stop trail loss all the way up for like a 5% drop, and just, wow, I could have put $100 in there today and been up $1,000. That's incredible. What a pump that was. Wow. He's live from Matt Cause, live from New York Stock Exchange on YouTube. Matt Cause, I think you mean Meet Kevin. I think that's what you mean. Wow, wow, wow. We are at 1.5 minutes to go. And there we go. Meet Kevin is not streaming his own channel. I can't believe it. Anyway, he's not. He's obviously going to record it and put it out later. But anyway, we've got 1 minute to go. Here we go. Let's go. Wow, that's something, isn't it? Matt Cause is live on. Who's Matt Cause? I have no idea who Matt Cause is. Sorry, Portland Trailblazer. I don't know who Matt Cause is. I have no idea who that is. Okay. Do you mean Meet Kevin? Anyway, let's bring the timer in. We're about to ring the bell. Few seconds to go. 30 seconds to go. Yes, Meet Kevin is ringing the bell today. He is, yes. But he's not streaming it on his channel. He's probably recording it though, I'd imagine. But he's not streaming it. I'm surprised. I would have been. You can bet your ass I would have been. 10 seconds to go. There we go. And there it is. There we go. Bell has now gone. Just pumped again, Ed. Ian Jackson, very possible. Lucid going up again. Let's have a quick look. Look at that. 869. What a pump today. But see, it's going straight back down again, though. That's why I'm not buying it. At the moment, it's being manipulated. Here we've got Elon Musk making up silly stories. That's not... If you want to make money, do you want to keep your sanity and get a heart attack? I mean, if you just bought that pumplet, it could go all the way back down again. I didn't. I'm only buying my all-time low. I'm not getting dragged in to all the silliness, all the craziness that's going on right now. It's absolutely insane. There's so much silliness going on. I just can't play along with it. There's Meet Kevin. It's on here now, look.
There's not really a lot of hope for markets to get back to those 4,000 plus levels that we saw earlier this year. As for today here, let's walk you through the numbers. An interesting day and an interesting week for the markets, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average down 0.9% on a daily basis, down about 3% on the week. The S&P 500 lower by 0.7% on the day, 3% on the week, and the Nasdaq Composite down 0.7% on the day, 4% on the week. The Russell 2000, that's your relative underperformer, down 1.2%.
All right, Romain, and if I take a look at the S&P 500...
There you go. There was Meet Kevin ringing the bell just there, if you got that. Right, so you see what I mean? It's up, look, up and down like a flipping yo-yo. It's crazy. I know some of you love this sort of thing, but this is not how I invest. It's not, I don't think it's sensible. I think it's crazy risky. I mean, look, I know I want to buy it at 850. If I buy it at 850, if it had gone up, would I have sold it? No, I would just load my average, because it's up and down. It's all being manipulated right now. And I know how I value these companies. I know what they're worth to me going forward. The ins and the outs of the everyday scalping and manipulation is insane right now. And I just cannot get involved in that sort of thing. It's not it's insane, right? However, I want to be absolutely clear. If it had gone to 850, if it had gone to $8, which is the number I'm trying to get it at, I would have bought another couple of hundred. It would have lowered my average by half, which would have been great, and it would have shot up, but I wouldn't have made any money because I wouldn't have sold it. It would have lowered my average and protected me for the future, and would have been great to see it go up like that. But to me, looking at that, that's just as likely to go straight back down again. Anyway, so there you go. That's my thoughts on it. What do you think? I'm looking at a bigger picture. I'm down 1.36 at the moment. We've got to do day trader of the day. Ambrix is still going up. Look at that. It's now 1,007%. Ed, what have you done? Have you taken your profits from this one? This is one you recommended this morning. $100 today turned into 1,000. That's probably the best ever trade you've ever done, isn't it? Isn't that the best ever trade or the best tip you've ever given? Didn't you say this morning, buy this one? If I'd have bought that for $100, I would have made $1,000 one day on $100. That's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. Anyway, I was sitting on puts most of the day, out of the money, but turned 100% profit on them at close. You need to separate trading from investing. They're totally different things. Out. You got out. What did you get out at? Netherlands 2, Argentina score 2. Right, I've got to go because, one, we've got a world... I traded it 5 times. Okay. What did he really recommend it before it went up? What? Did he really recommend it? It was in the post this morning. This morning, in our Discord channel, yes, it was in there, down here, and Ed was talking about it. Yes, he was. And if you'd have put $100 this morning, I get day trader of the day and teacher of the year. If you'd have bought it this morning at $100, you'd have been up now to $1,000 in one day. And what I would have done, 100%, is I would have set a 5%, 10% stop trail loss, which would have went all the way up to here, and it would have sold there. So I would I would have done pretty well. I'd have been up, I'd have been up $1,000, yeah. And then it would have come down. I wouldn't have got in it again. If I'd have taken that tip, I wouldn't have got in it again until it come back down here again. So I wouldn't have rode that, but that's the same as that. So there you go. Anyway, that's what I would have done if I'd taken that tip this morning. And of course, we all wish we had, right? I wasn't paying enough attention to Ed. I'm paying more attention to Ed now, though. Right, let's have a little look. What's Virgin Orbit doing? I've got an all-time low now for Virgin Orbit in my Roth IRA. And it's got to go to $2 in my brokerage account for me to buy any more. Right, let's have a little look. What's Lucid doing? It's held up at the moment. Okay, what's the next stock, Ed? He posts it in our Discord channel. Keep attention to that. He comes into the show every morning, lets us know what's going on. And I'm very new to the channel, but Martin, do you have a crypto? Do you have any crypto accounted for in your portfolio? Yes. Beyond BTC and Ethereum. I only have BTC, BSV, and Ethereum. That's it. Nothing else. I don't see any point in owning anything else. That's all I have, Jack. Welcome to our channel. And I will share with you what I have here on my... I sold at the top of Bitcoin. Well, I say 30,000, 34. I've now sold it all, and I'm buying it back every time it goes below 16,000. Every time it drops another 1,000, I buy a bit more, and I'm going to do that all the way down until it goes down to probably nothing. That could easily happen, and that's fine. It'll make 1 to 5% of my portfolio. I will regard it as a lottery ticket. Monday, every morning start at 5:30, 7 a.m. Yep. We post it in our Discord. Ed Nevius posts it there for you. If you are a YouTube member, ETORO, you can see his channel. And oh, you are. I notice you are a YouTube member. Right. That's it from me. So, if you want to be in our cash giveaway for next Friday, this is your last chance to get the newsletter which contains the giveaway. We do the giveaway every Sunday. If you want to be in this giveaway, the email comes out on Sunday. If you miss it after Sunday, you've got to wait for the following Sunday. How do you get the newsletter with the cash giveaway? We had double prizes today, and we're doing it again next week. Here is the link for the newsletter. If you don't get it now or before Sunday, it'll be too late for next Friday. When you click on that, it will bring you to this link here. You put your email in there, and then you're looking for the verification email. The verification email may go into your junk folder because it contains the words cash prize draw. Here is your newsletter email you're looking for in the chat. It's thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. All right, there you go. And if you've not got verified or your email goes into your junk folder, search for it, thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. If you don't get it after 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, or 2 p.m. GMT on Sunday, you know it's either in your junk folder or you never verified it. Okay. All right. There we go. I'm holding my Lucid. I'm down 29% now. I'm holding it. I've got 220 shares. I nearly bought some more. It didn't quite go to 8 for me. That's where I wanted to buy it. That was my all-time low. And I'm not buying it until it does. Hopefully it never will. Okay, now then, very, very quickly, just to give you this. This is the tonight's world premiere. Every night we beat it. We've got Christmas songs around the corner. And... also, I'm holding it too, says Real Ray. Don't listen to Elon Musk telling you it's going bankrupt, or Meet Kevin, it's going bankrupt. Same as Rivian, all this stuff. It's going bankrupt. It's not. I don't believe it for a second. They've got plenty of money. There is the... let me post this a minute. Post. Oh, well, there we go. Here is the world premiere. And don't forget why we're doing all this, other than I hope you enjoy my music. We're doing it because... we want to get the channel to wake up, so when we release the Virgin Galactic single, it'll do well. Dolly Parton, it goes live in 5 minutes. This video will go directly to it. So I hope you'll join me for the world premiere. Please leave a like and put a comment below. Let me see who's already left a comment below. There's 4 waiting. Oh, we've got 9 comments. Every night it gets better. More people join every night. Tonight, there we go. James Stodler's done it. I Like New Order, Blue Monday, World Piano Man, Zach, Church, Malk, James Stodler, Mike, brilliant, thank you. Brilliant, guys. If you enjoyed the music, watch it again, share it on your social media. Click the share button here, look, and you can share it onto your texting, social media, wherever. Well, I'm off now because I've got to get ready for a gig tonight, in-person gig in Dallas. And there you go. Thank you ever so much for being here tonight. Thanks for everyone following me. And I will see you back on Monday. Let me just double check. Did everyone sign up for the newsletter that wants it? Otherwise, you won't be in the draw on Friday. Very quiet night tonight. 119 came through the show. That's pretty good. Pretty good. We've got 18 likes. Oh, hang on a minute. Let's do this before I go. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Right, you ready? Let's do this for 10 seconds. 1 minute. We've got 30 We've got 30 watching, only 18 likes. All right, I'll do the song. Okay, I'll do the song. Everyone smash the like button. Said a chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said a chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please, stand up, say please, stand up. We're the real Satoshi. Stand up, Nakamoto. 18 likes. Come on, there's 30 people watching. 18 likes. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said a chicky, 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 pow, pow. We got Far From Broke, Neptunian just tuned in. Let's put them on the screen. Jack Williams, kudos to Croatia. There's Jack Williams. Let's put him on the screen. Who else have we got here? We've got Far From Broke. He says thanks. You're welcome. Only 18 likes. We've got twice as many people watching that aren't liking the video. I don't know what I can do. There you go. Never mind. I did my best. Okay. Right, we're done. It's 2 minutes. Oh, we got 20 likes in the end. 20 likes. Okay, thank you very much, guys. Appreciate it. Right, it's now time for the world premiere. For those of you that you don't know, I'm actually the world piano man, and I'm planning on releasing a single for Virgin Galactic. After having worked for Richard Branson, hopefully Virgin Galactic will pick it up to promote the stock, and all the money I make from the video, I'm going to spend on Virgin Galactic shares. Here's my studio where I go live, where I'm about to go with a world premiere right now. Let me give you a wave. This is the back of the studio. All right, we're about to go live now with a song by Dolly Parton. It's called Jolene. I'm going to go there right now. Here we go. Here is the premiere. Everyone share the channel, share the video, and as it gets bigger, our Virgin Galactic video will be even more successful. There it is. Okay, I'm going to go. It starts in 2 minutes from now. I'll see you all over there. I'm going to roll the credits. I'll be back on Monday morning. Thank you very much for being here. Let's see if we got any credits today. I don't think so. It's a pretty quiet one today, to be honest. Let's bring in the music. Here we go. Start of the show. James Stadola became a new member today. Thank you, James. I look forward to welcoming you over Discord and upgrading your account so I can give you all your perks and benefits. The cash prize giveaway video comes out on Sunday. The newsletter comes out on Sunday. Make sure you enter the competition. I'm going to do a double prizes again. So if you repost the correct Twitter post, you could have a chance of winning double prizes again. Today was 1 in 8 chance. Only 8 of the 10 of you were actually in the live show, so you had a really good chance to win the cash prize today. See you on the other side. I love it. See you in a bit, folks. I'll see you back in Monday morning, and right now it's premiere time. I hope you'll enjoy Jolene by Dolly Parton. See you back on Monday morning. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other.